guys! It's me again, Gracie, and we're back for another video. But before we proceed, pasok muna natin ang intro. So guys, our topic for today is about how to apply for Atome loan. Paano nga ba mag-apply ng loan kay Atome or through their Atome app? Okay? So, kung ito yung hinahanap mong video and if you think this video is for you, please watch until the end.
So, ayan guys. Makita niyo yung card application. Pindutin niyo yan. Apply for free. Yan. Yan. Tapos pili kayo dyan ng card na gusto niyo matanggap soon. Yan. Yung tatlo. Pink, white, or black. Yan. Black ang pinili ko. Then, click next. Yan. Allow nyo yan kung gusto nyo. Kung okay sa inyo. Then, the basic information. Yung address nyo. Mother's maiden name. Yan. Single or married. Yan. Work information. Tsaka yung character reference pala. Yan. Employment type. Pili lang kayo dyan kung saan kayo belong dyan. Yan. Tapos, name of employer, kung saan kayo nag-work. Yung address ng work. Yan. Save mo. Select address. Yan. Kung saan yung address ng work mo. Yan. Barangay. Yan. Ganyan lang. Basta complete address. Then the next is yung job industry. Yan. Kung ano yung job industry. Pili lang kayo dyan kung saan belong kayo. And then yung occupation mo. Kung wala dyan, pindutin mo lang yung others. Katulad ng ginawa ko. Tapos, yung job position. Ayan. Tapos, yung work, kung kailan ka dyan start sa work na yan. Tapos, yung monthly income mo, lagay mo dyan. Kung magkano kinikita mo sa isang buwan. Then, next is yung payday mo, kung kailan. Kung 10.25, kung 15.30, ayan. Ayan. First and second payday yan. So, yung unang payday mo, yung nasa taas, then yung susunod. And then, tap next. Yan. Yan. Pag gusto mo ng physical card, yan, syempre gusto mo, diba? Piliin mo kung ano yung name na gusto mo. Papakita nila yung choices. Then, yung address, yung mailing address. Pindutin mo yung use. Yan, tapos confirm. Para dyan nila isa-send. The next naman is yung facial verification. Yan, kailangan no glasses, no hats. Yan. Yan, tapos kailangan malinaw, maliwanag. Yan. Malapit yung mukha. Hindi blurry. Yan. Yan. Yan yung last. Okay.
So ayan guys, yung process kung paano mag-apply ng loan kay Atome. Napakadali lang niya and hindi hassle ang requirements. At yun, may i-fill out ka lang. And, di ba yung last part niya is magwe-wait tayo ng 3 days para malaman kung approve tayo or hindi. So, kahapon yon yung application na yon. So, ngayon, naka-receive ako ng email. Hindi na siya inabot ng 3 days. Ito yung email nila, guys. Greetings from Atome. We're thrilled to share some great news with you. Your application for an Atome virtual card has been approved and is now active. Virtual pa lang siya, so wala pang physical card. View your spending limit in Atome app right away. You can immediately start using it for secure online purchases at all MasterCard affiliated merchants as well as convenient QR payments via QRPH at all participating stores. While your physical Atome card isn't available just yet, the good news is that the more you shop using your virtual card and QRPH, the faster you'll move up the wait list for a physical card. As part of this process, we've included a copy of the Atome card loan. Yun pala yung tawag, guys. Atome card loan. Agreement for your reference, which you agreed to during the card application process. This document outlines the terms and conditions of your Atome card, ensuring you have all the important details. To learn more about your virtual card, simply head to the Atome app. You'll find everything you need to get started, plus helpful tips to make the most of your experience. Thank you for choosing Atome. Happy shopping! The Atome team, your friends at Atome Card. Atome.ph. Okay guys, yan yung email. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung approved limit. Medyo mababa lang siya pero okay lang. Hindi naman ako nag-expect ng medyo mataas. So, ito yun guys. Let's move on to the next screen. So, ayan guys. Yan yung approved limit niya. So, online purchases muna siya. Hindi mo pa siya magagamit hindi online kasi nga wala pa yung physical card. For approval pa parang kumbaga. Kapag ginamit mo ng ginamit yung app through bills pay, shopping, etc. I think, papadalan ka na nila ng physical card. Ganon. Kasi in my experience, ito kasi sa husband ko to. In my experience, nung nag-loan ako sa Atome dati, nauna yung card. Tsaka medyo mas mataas yung limit ko that time. Hindi ganito. Tapos, bago mo magamit yung limit mo, i-send mo, kailangan mo muna ma-receive yung card. Ayun. Pero this time, parang medyo iba siya. Ewan ko, baka nag-iba na talaga. So, wala mo ng physical card. Tignan mo na nila yung performance sa paggamit mo ng app nila. Ganon, siguro. So, ngayon, hindi ko pa nagagamit yan. Siguro, update ko rin kayo kapag nagamit ko na siya. Pakita ko rin sa inyo kung saan ko nagamit or kung paano gagamitin. Okay? So, guys, disclaimer ha. Hindi ako paid dito ng Atome. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga experience ko dito about sa app na to. At kailangan mga video na ito. And guys, please follow all my social media pages. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think na informative ang video na ito, share mo na rin. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan pa na hindi ko na-share sa video na ito, please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer everything as long as it's related to our topic. Thank you so much guys and God bless us all. Bye!